Happy Friday, everyone. This is a quick video before the weekend. I'm going to go ahead and look at the S&P 500. So we're probably looking at a top going to the sometime. So I think we're looking at ABC structure. So June 6th or June 7th, which is tomorrow, is probably a midterm top before we get into an A, B, and C structure going down to the end of June. This is not the end of the bull market. We're still going to have a most likely a five wave up move. So one, two, three, four, and five going to the end of July. Here in the projection, we have August the 2nd to August the 5th before we can actually go down and make money on the short side. So for those long positions out there, just hold on to it. If you guys are very nimble, you can short this. I will not. I will probably stick to my long position riding into the end of July. So this is an example of a quick model that we have. Obviously, the sum of the evidence is what it's all about when it comes to trading. If we look at the seasonality model for the S&P 500, we can see here a pretty good correlation for the S&P. So the green line being the actual. So today's the 6th of June. We can see here that we've been correlating pretty well into the seasonal projection for the S&P 500. We are looking at a down move into the end of June before going up into the end of July, which is exactly what this other model that I just depicted is all about. And from a statistical or mathematical point of view, when you have two different standalone models that show the same result, it means that you have a highly likelihood of getting to the outcome that you're looking for. So this is all mathematics. Trading the markets obviously is you give numbers. You're placing bets. You can lose money. You can win money, but hedge trade really gives you an edge from that perspective, in that it gives you quantitative models that can give you the sum of the evidence so that you can place your own trades and therefore give you an edge. So that is it. It's just a quick update as to the hedge trade system for the S&P 500 going to the end of the month and going to the end of July before we can get a much bigger drawdown going to September or October. Enjoy the weekend, everyone.